Today I am talking to you about product buildup in your hair. So what is product buildup? It's basically, so for us curly girls, we're always putting products in our hair to help our curls and moisturize them and blah blah, and using sulfate-free shampoo and all that stuff. But eventually all that product is just going to keep getting caked onto your hair, and you're going to notice that your curls are even sometimes more dry than usual, brittle, just texture is all off. That means you have product buildup, and we need to completely cleanse our curls and kind of give them a break from all those products so that our curls can be happy and healthy again. So think of it as when you give your skin a break from wearing makeup. You know, you do like a facial or a mask, and then you let your skin breathe for a couple days and you don't wear makeup. Yeah, so I'm going to show you my favorite products that I use when I want to cleanse my hair, and basically my extreme wash day routine. Before we go, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and also comment down below what kind of videos you want to see from me. I really want to give out content that you guys want, so yeah, leave me some suggestions, just say what's up, you know the drill. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is my hair. It's probably been 4 or 5 days since my last wash and go, but it's just extra dry, extra tangled and clumped together. It just felt terrible, like straw. As you can see, it's like stuck in the ponytail or bun I had it in, so it really needs this de-build-up wash. So the first thing I'm going to do is cleanse my hair, and I'm going to use 2 shampoos. First, I'm using my customized shampoo from Function of Beauty. I will link that video down below if you haven't seen it, but I really like this shampoo because it has ingredients like tea tree oil and like lavender, so it really gets my hair really nice and clean. And then I'm going to use the Deva Curl Build-Up Buster, and I'm going to work this directly into my scalp so my scalp gets really cleansed, and then also down the rest of my hair. So I'm going to scrub that really well, and then rinse both those shampoos out very thoroughly. The next step is to condition. So I'm going to go in with the Heaven and Hair by Deva Curl, and I like this conditioner, and I like to use this one first because it gives your hair a lot of slip. So I'm going to work this generously throughout my entire head, and so that can start to detangle and add moisture back into my hair, because we did just use some harsher shampoo, so it's important to get your curls nice and hydrated. And then I'm also going to use the Deep Sea Repair hair mask by Deva Curl, and I like to combine these two because the hair mask I feel kind of seals in the Heaven and Hair, and it also has some good ingredients like seaweed in it to just repair and strengthen your hair. So then I'm just going to put in a bun, put a shower cap on, so that kind of works as a deep conditioner while I finish the rest of my shower. So step 3 is going to be detangle. So I'm out of the shower now. I still have all that conditioner in my hair because that's going to help me detangle this crazy mess of my hair. So I'm just going to take my bun down and gently start detangling from the bottom, working my way to the root of my hair with a wide tooth comb. And guys, my hair was just so tangly, like look at it, even with the conditioner it was like a pain. So I just did it off camera because it literally took me 25 minutes to detangle my hair. But now it is all detangled with the wide tooth comb, and I just want to take a moment to show you all the hair that sheds when I detangle my hair, just because I just want to show you that it is normal for your hair to shed, especially for your curls, because if you don't comb your hair every day, all the hair that naturally sheds just gets built up. So then when you finally comb it out, you can just kind of see it all. So now my hair was all detangled, and so I just dunked my hair under this under the tub and completely rinsed out all of that conditioner. So my hair is completely clean right now, nothing on it. I thoroughly rinsed it out, and now I'm just going to add some organic coconut oil back into my hair, and this is going to be my product for my hair basically, because coconut oil is a natural alternative to, you know, a harsher curly product. And then I'm also going to use some hair serum just to lock in that moisture and to lock in that coconut oil, and that hair serum is from the Dry Bar. Now I'm using literally 1 pump of my Supercream from Deva Curl, and I spilled it on my face, and I'm just going to smooth that around the edges of my hair because those cannot be tamed by some coconut oil, girl. You know, they need a little extra help. So now I'm just going to use a microfiber towel and get out
all the extra moisture, any extra coconut oil or anything on my hair, and I let that sit for a little while. And then I'm also going to scrunch with that microfiber towel. Oh my gosh, say microfiber like 10 times fast. And this is how my hair turned out while it was still wet. Very hydrated, detangled, and silky.
Hey guys, okay, so it's the next day, and as you can see, I just have my hair up in this messy bun, but let me take it down and show you what my hair ended up looking like when it was dry. So as you saw from the clip, I didn't do like my normal curly hair routine, which is where I really scrunch my hair. Sometimes I finger coil it. So yeah, this is really just my hair, just my like texture, my natural, I guess natural texture. Yeah, I think, honestly, I think I put a little bit too much of the coconut oil in my hair because it feels, like you can see it's kind of like too oily in some parts, but coconut oil, you know, is like a natural alternative to putting it in like all the curly products in your hair, so that's why, like I said, I like to use coconut oil or oils because, you know, you can't just go completely productless. I mean, you can, but I feel like my curls always need some sort of moisture, especially after using all the kind of like harsher shampoos on it. You definitely want to make sure that you have some moisture in your hair. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It feels so much better. Like my hair feels so much softer, it feels lighter, fluffier, my scalp feels super clean, and yeah, I just love how my hair feels when I do this. So basically, I would just leave my hair like this with just the coconut oil in it for a few days, and I'll just throw it up into a bun and let it sit, and then in like 3 days from now, I will just rinse my hair, rinse out the coconut oil, and then do my normal wash and go routine where I scrunch and finger coil it and all that stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!